Hello, I will now give a tutorial for the Zapier. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services together. Each Zap consists of a trigger and one or more actions. When you turn your Zap on, it will run the action steps every time the trigger event occurs. And now, zapier.com is an online automation tool that connects your apps and services. You can connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. This guide walks you through key concepts to help you get started with Zapier. So now, I have connected my, here, I want to post from a Facebook page. So from the Facebook page, I will tweet a page there to my Twitter account. So I just have to click this one. So it goes like this one. And from the Facebook page, I have to choose a page that I want to tweet So this one, I want to tweet the gourmet bagoong to my Twitter, and then just click it, and can add a new one. And then just that one. So it's done. My ad of this Mamsi Gourmet Bagoong is now tweeted in my Twitter account, in whatever account. So that ends my Zapier tutorial. Thank you.